Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the Valerie counter high table. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. As you open and unpack the box, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. In this footage, we are using the original dining table, but the assembly is identical for the counter high table. Ensure the pilot holes on the legs are facing toward the middle of the table. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. Do your best to center these felt pads on the bottom of the legs.